There's a quick workaround using which you can upload pictures and videos to Instagram from PC. In this video, I will show you steps on how to do that, but before that make sure to click on the subscribe button for getting updates about latest videos. Launch Chrome browser and visit Instagram.com. Here, using your credentials, log into your Instagram account. Next, you need to right-click and select Inspect from the context menu. Chrome Developers tool will open. Here, you need to click on the Toggle Device toolbar icon. Now, you need to click on the responsive option listed on the top. You will get list of phone names. You can select one you want. I will select iPhone X. Next, click on the reload icon, otherwise you will not see upload icon. Click on the upload plus icon. Browse window will open. Select the picture or video which you want to upload. Following same procedure, add description, hashtags, location, and upload it. As easy as that. At any point, you want to get back to normal browser mode, then all you have to do is to unselect Toggle Device toolbar, close Developers tool, and reload the web page. That's all about this video. Do you find this workaround useful? Let me know in the comments.